Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to understand how we can customize a Loag A Call button in Salesforce Lightning. So in this whole video tutorial, we will discuss the steps using which we can customize Loag A Call button in Salesforce. Now before we jump to the topic, I would like to tell you that we have created this YouTube channel to provide a dedicated solution and tutorial for Salesforce. So if you really like this video, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to get the regular update related to the Salesforce video. Now let's jump to the topic and understand how we can customize Loag A Call button in Salesforce. So now see what is Loag A Call button. Now Loag A Call button is widely used activity tab in Salesforce. The role of this activity tab is to record the interaction between the user and the customers. However, there could be a requirement where we need some more options or fields in a Loag A Call action. So to overcome this thing in Salesforce, we can create a Loag A Call action. So let us discuss the steps using which we can customize a Loag A Call action in Salesforce. So for this, firstly jump to the Salesforce org. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning one, firstly switch to the Lightning and then proceed further. And here you can see we are on the setup home page. And now see where is the Loag A Call button present. So for this we firstly click on the app launcher and then click on the view all option and then scroll down and choose the item, and here I am choosing the accounts item, and we are redirect to the accounts record page, or we can say that the lightning view page. And here we select any of the record, and here I am selecting this record, and under this record, under the activity tab, you can see two buttons are present. First one is new task and the another one is Loag A Call button. I am using this Loag A Call button to store some information related to the record. Now when we click on the Loag A Call button, it shows this pop-up. Inside this, we see the subject, comment, name or related to option. Now what if I want some more fields in this call a log action, then what I can do? So for this I will again move to my home setup page. So for this, firstly cross this and then click on the gear icon and click on the setup option, and it will launch to the setup home page, and then click on the object manager tab, and I want to choose the object as an account and I want to customize the action button. So I want to customize the action button for my account object, and it will redirect us to the detail page of the account, and then I select the button links and action but option and then click on the new action, and here you can see we move to the new action button page. Now enter the action information. Firstly select the action type as a Loag A Call because we want to customize our Loag A Call button. Now choose the standard label type you want, otherwise leave it as it is, and then add the label as a log account and then enter the name which is automatically filled, and then you can give the description like this action is used to a Loag A Call. So enter this description: this action is used to Loag A Call, and then you can also provide the success message if you want, otherwise leave it as it is and click on the save button, and our Loag A Call field is saved and it will move to the action Loag A account option. Now you can see this is a set of fields that are there in the Loag A Call, that is a subject, name, comments related to, and I also want to add some more field to it. For example, I want to add the status, so I drag this and drop it under here under the comment, and we can also reorder this list, like I want this related to field under this status, so I can also reorder this and then hit the save button, and our layout is saved and it will move to a log account page. And now for this, what I will do, now I want to add this action to my activity tab. So for this, what I will do, I will click on this page layout option that is present under the details. Click on the page layouts and then click on the account layout, and it will redirect us to the account layout page. Now select the mobile and lightning action and then scroll down. Here you can see there is a Salesforce mobile and lightning experience action. Now from the above, search for the Loag A account that you are created. Now drag this and drop this under Salesforce mobile and lightning action section and then hit the save button. Our layout is saved and it will move back to the page layout. And now we want to see our field is added to under the activity tab or not. So what I need to do, I need to open the record for the particular object. So firstly, I click on the account item. So scroll down and select the accounts item, and then it will move to the account record page and select any of the record, and here I am selecting this record, Burlington Textile Corporation of America, and then two options are present, Loag A Call and new task. When we click on the Loag A Call drop down arrow, you can see log an account is present under here. When you click on this, you can see the option related to this Loag A Call is open. Here you can see the status, which field we add or reorder. You can see how we can customize this Loag A Call button in Salesforce Lightning. You can also do this by these simple steps. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.